Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the issue of installed app not showing their icons on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen. After click on home screen, so you will see if you want to fix this problem, so turn on this button and turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So if you want to show apps in your home screen, so again click on settings app and click on home screen and turn on show app screen button to the home screen and add new app to the home screen. So that's how you can fix issue of installed app not showing their icon on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.